Hi, and thanks for taking a minute to see how Ron Bouchard makes used car buying easier and more transparent. It all comes down to our smart pricing. Instead of spending hours bouncing from dealership to dealership trying to figure out what's a fair price, we've already done the work for you. We analyze local market supply, vehicle condition, Carfax Vehicle History Reports, maintenance records, and factory certifications, and then compare everything to similar vehicles in the market. And we don't just set it and forget it. Ron Bouchard's smart pricing is updated regularly, so you're always seeing our most competitive price right now. Just as important, every vehicle we offer is carefully selected. No major blemishes on the Carfax, no accident-towed vehicles, no airbag deployments, no branded titles, period. Whether it's an inexpensive first car, an affordable family SUV, or a like-new certified vehicle, you can shop with confidence. Shop any Ron Bouchard location and you'll agree it's simply a better car buying experience.